Looking for a natural way to brighten your skin and fade dark spots? Try this ancient skincare secret used for generations in Asian beauty routines, rice flour. It's gentle, effective, and your skin will thank you. Let's start with what makes rice flour so powerful. This simple ingredient is packed with vitamin B, antioxidants, and amino acids, all of which support skin regeneration. It works as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells. It also helps control excess oil, reduce suntan, and lighten pigmentation and dark spots. And the best part? It suits all skin types, dry, oily, or combination. Let's make a DIY rice flour face pack that's perfect for skin lightening and glow. 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, 2 teaspoons of raw milk or rose water if your skin is oily. These ingredients combine the best of brightening, moisturizing, and toning properties. Rice flour lightens, honey hydrates and heals milk, nourishes and boosts radiance. In a small bowl, add the rice flour first. Next, pour in the honey, then the milk. Mix it well until you get a smooth, creamy paste, not too thick, not too runny. Start with a freshly washed face. Apply the paste evenly using a brush or fingertips, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel it begin to dry and tighten. That's normal. After it's dried, dampen your hands and gently massage in circular motions before rinsing off. Use lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Finish with a lightweight, natural moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You'll notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and more even-toned with regular use. Always wear sunscreen to prevent further darkening. Stay hydrated and eat foods rich in vitamin C. Avoid harsh chemical-based products. Remember, natural remedies take time, but they're gentle and safe for long-term use. If you're tired of dark spots, dull skin, or uneven tone, this rice flour remedy is your glow-up in a bowl. It's easy, effective, and all natural. If you love this tip, don't forget to like, share, and follow @NatureFit for more beauty hacks and natural skincare ideas. Let your skin glow the natural way.